Hey guys, what's up? It's Sam. It is my favorite time of the quarter. It is time for my Fabfitfun box for spring. I can't even tell you guys how much I need this. Like, it is literally like 0 degrees outside. I wish I was kidding. I'm not kidding. I'm not exaggerating. It is that awful out. So we need this. We need some joy in our lives. Also, my birthday's coming up, so it feels like a present. Let's get to the unboxing. Let's get to opening it. First though, I do have codes. Both my codes will be on the screen and they will also be down below. I have absolutely loved working with Fabfitfun. It's been about a year now since we started working together and I feel so grateful. They're like literally the kindest team ever, and they're also doing a lot in terms of relief for the LA fires. So that is definitely something that I so applaud them for. I just love when like a brand is also really good. Like, not only are the products good, but like the brand themselves are good. I'm just like so obsessed with them. I love them so much. Like I said, everything is linked down below, all the codes and all of the information you need to know. Also, do not forget to follow me on my Instagram. It is Samantha.hope if you guys want to see a shorter version of this. And also, of course, it's always on my shorts. So be sure to subscribe on here if you guys want to see that content as well. All right, guys, let's get into it. Oh my God. It literally feels like Christmas. Ooh. This box is so big. Oh my God. Look at how cute this is. It's time. She is stunning and she's huge. I don't have long nails. It doesn't have the same effect, but just pretend there's ASMR happening. Are we ready? Oh my God, gorge. Spring things, how freaking cute. Let's get into the contents of the box. If you guys haven't seen my previous videos, I go into this very blindly. I just like to pick them out and react to you guys live while seeing it all for the first time. Okay, item numero uno. Oh my God. I saw the, like, I already saw it and I'm already obsessed. Anyone who knows me knows I'm obsessed with Free People. It is like my favorite place to shop ever. I've never gotten a candle from there, but I guess I can't say that anymore because I have one. This is Surf Candle Jasmine and Coconut. That sounds amazing. Let's give it a whiff. Oh my God, how cute is that already? Guys, I'm so obsessed. I can smell it and it's, oh my God. Oh my God, that smells absolutely divine. It's so funny because it smells like Free People. Like, anytime I walk in, I feel like this is what Free People smells like, and it smells amazing. I'm kind of bad at describing scents, so I'll try and do my best. Obviously, there's the jasmine. I smell the coconut, but it's like behind the jasmine, if that makes sense. It smells absolutely divine. This is a spring candle, but it's light. I think sometimes like spring candles really like go heavy on the floral. This smells really clean. This is phenomenal. Oh my God, I'm so excited. And how gorge is she? So excited. Next item, what is she? Oh my God. Okay, so this is a brush. This honestly looks so cool. It's a vent brush. Pull it out. Okay, I'm already so excited because I'm going to have a real moment of vulnerability right now. This is my brush. She's been through a lot. She's seen better days. Oh, wow. Okay, I like this a lot. Number one, I shed hair like a lot of people do, obviously, but I feel like this will be easier to get that out. Also, this will be great for blow drying my hair because it already has like the little vents in it. Also, this sounds silly, but there's a curve to it, which I've never had a brush that had a curve to it. And now I'm like brushing my hair with that. I'm like, wait, that actually makes so much sense because your head is round. This makes so much sense. I love this. I'm so excited. I know it's kind of boring because it's a brush, but sometimes like the necessities, those daily things that you're always using, you forget to replace and get a new one. And this looks so nice and high quality. I don't think I would ever spend the amount that this must cost on a brush, but I'm so happy I have it. Okay, next item. This is kind of silly, but I'm excited about it. It's a pan. Okay, first of all, she's gorge. Look at her, stunning. I feel like I'm in my adult era now. I need to start making a collection of my pots and pans for when I move next, and this is perfect for it. 8-inch frying pan. Honestly, good quality. Looks so nice. I think it's just so cute and very aesthetic, which seems a little silly, but I think sometimes stuff like that is nice, like a little aesthetic moment in the kitchen. I can just imagine me like frying an egg, making some avocado toast. Just, this is my girl. I'm excited. Next item. Ooh, I'm very excited about this. I'm gonna use this literally right after this video. So this is Living Proof. It's a detoxifying, clarifying shampoo. Let's smell the thing. Ooh, that smells really good. It smells clean. It's not overpowering, but it's still a really nice scent. It's a little florally. I like. I am someone who is absolutely addicted to dry shampoo, so this is going to be perfect for me. I think especially in winter, I always am using dry shampoo just because my hair is like so staticky and it's so dry and like, ugh. So this will be so, so good because I somehow get more oily in the winter. I don't know about you guys. Like, I know that's more of a summer thing. I actually don't experience that in summer. So this will be perfect for me. Next item. Ooh. Okay, this is a Moroccan oil all-in-one leave-in conditioner. I had to like literally read the bottle. I love their products. I've had many before. I'm so excited to have this. Again, like my hair just experiences so many issues during this time of year. I feel like this will especially be good. Kind of transitioning into spring where my hair is just like losing its mind. My hair is very long and it kind of accidentally wound up that way. So I feel like this will be good to help keep all of it healthy. I feel like I'm trying to do a bit of like a Demi Moore thing with her hair and I want that, but I'm not gonna do it if it's not healthy, and this will help me do that. I'm so excited about this. Let's smell it. I don't wanna use the product quite yet because my hair is not wet. Ooh, that smells good. That smells beachy. So excited about this. If you guys want, I can do different shorts on how each of these products work and what I like about them, especially this one because I don't tend to do a lot of deep conditioners or like leave-in conditioners. So I feel like this will be really interesting to see how my hair likes this. I feel like it'll love it. Drum roll, please. Our last item. Oh my God. I'm so excited about this. So this is a facial fitness kit. I have TMJ and it drives me crazy. I have like just terrible sinuses. I know this is so TMI. I have terrible sinuses and like my jaw is always in pain. This is going to be such a lifesaver. So you get a face sculptor, you get a face sculptor and an eye depuffer. This little thing right here, I'll pull it out and I'm gonna show you guys exactly where that thing is going. How gorgeous. Oh my God, I love that they're metal. I feel like that just helps everything stay a lot cleaner. And also, honestly, it feels nice when it gets like a little cold. Okay, so this is I believe this one's the eye depuffer. Oh my God, that feels amazing. Wow. And that's gonna feel so good like on my sinuses and stuff. I'm trying not to do it too much because I have makeup on and I don't wanna like make them dirty. This one, I'm so excited about. If you guys get TMJ, you know. Oh my God, I feel like this is changing my life already. Oh my God. I'm gonna use this like 80,000 times a day. I just get so much tension right here in my jaw. This feels so good already. You guys don't understand, like that relief is so amazing. Oh my God. Let's collect all my goodies. Look at all my goodies. I am so excited about each and every one of these. I feel like these are all so good for spring. I feel like these are really gonna help me with my glow up era. I feel like I get the winter uglies so badly. So all of this is gonna help me so much. And I'm still so obsessed with this candle. It smells amazing. And maybe I'll learn to cook. I feel like it's time in my life where I must do that. Thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you to Fabfitfun for sending me all these lovely goodies. Do not forget to get your box down below. I'll have all the codes, I'll have the links, I'll have it all. And of course, don't forget to follow me on my Instagram. It is samantha.hope. I'm so excited to be creating more content for you guys for this year. And I'm so excited to glow up with all of you guys because we're gonna look so good. We're gonna look so snatched. Our hair's gonna look amazing and moisturized and detoxified. It's all gonna look great. And our rooms are gonna smell amazing. Thanks so much for watching. I will catch you guys in my next video. And do not forget to subscribe for more Fabfitfun content. Bye guys!